I'm on my new shit, leave me alone. Bitch, let me do this. Quit calling my phone, I know she going through it. I know she in that zone, just wanna listen to music. Just wanna be on her own. You got too many friends to disappear on us, girl. Let us know what's going on. Stop staring at that Facebook wall and clear this up, girl. And all she said was, I'ma be okay, I'm doing me. Let me get one day, privacy please. Ain't tryna be in your business, I call it how I see. Stop with the posting and you get that privacy that you need, Cause you've been going in today just saying, girl, you got all of us worried about you. You got something to say to us and say it, girl. But she said never mind and left it at that. So I left it alone. Then she hopped in the lap, then she hopped on the phone and was like, I don't care, get a life, stay over there. And I was like, damn, bitch, don't nobody care about your hits if it's they lame. We can all do the same thing, we can be like, I don't care, get a life, stay over there. And you be like, damn, why all in mine? Selfies on selfies, do it for the fine. I know ain't nothing wrong, I know this bitch been lying. Then she pick up the phone and act like she just got through crying. Tell me why you can't be antisocial on this network here, girl. What's the purpose of getting on? You can't pour out your feelings, they gon' get hurt here, girl. And all she said was, you know I'm single, bitch, let's turn up. Get me from my crib, turned out for what? She was just so depressing, now she all in that club. On the Facebook and her Twitter like I'm blessed in the mud. Tell you what, you need to make your mind up and focus on you, girl. Just let go of that ball. I'm wasting up your time and go do what you do, girl. But she said never mind and left me to